Alright, welcome back. So this is part 2 of IPSec site to multi-site. Last video I just did a configuration. Now I'm going to be doing some show commands and telling you what's going on here. So I just created the IPSec tunnel and I sent traffic from R1's 15.15.15 network, and it's being sent over to the super secret squirrel net, and it should be encrypted. And how do we know if we actually have an active tunnel? Our command is going to be show crypto session. Alright, something important here to see is we have one session that's active, one session that is down, and it's because there's two sites that are up, well, supposed to be up, but I haven't sent any interesting traffic to the 47 network over here. And up here I put phase 1 and phase 2 tunnels will not form until interesting traffic is forwarded. And that interesting traffic is that access list that I captured. And I haven't sent anything from the 15 network to the 47 network. So let's go ahead and do that right now, and then we'll see that this session will become up and active. So we'll ping 47.1 from the source of f1/0. Do that. We may lose a packet or two. We lost one. Send more. And then we'll do show crypto session. Here you see now we have up active and up active for both sites. That's good. Let's see what other show commands we have. Show crypto ITK-CHANNEL security associations. Let's see what else we can do. Nope, we can just do that. And here we see that we have two tunnels and they are active. So ITK-CHANNEL, that's the phase 1 tunnel. And then the phase 2 tunnel, we can do IPSec security associations, and we can set the peer. Who is our peer? We'll just say R3. Hit enter. And we get all this good stuff right here. You can see the name of the crypto map, the local address of where it's being sent out from, the interesting traffic, where it's coming from and where it's destined to. We have 9 packets that were encapsulated, 9 packets that were encrypted, de-encrypted when we got the reply back. And we can actually send more traffic, and we'll see this, these packets, this number increase. We sent 5 packets, and we got 5 packets up here. It used to be 9, now it's 14. So this is the show command. All this other information, you can see what type of encryption we're using. Yep, it's active. So that is it for IPSec site to multi-site. If I do a show run, you can see the configs that I set here for both routers. And there's one policy here describing what the phase 1 tunnel is going to look like, what type of authentication, the keys, especially the keys, are going to be different, and the encryption, the authentication, the hash. So these are different, and this policy 1 is set for router 3, and policy 2 is set for router 4, and they still built the tunnel. So you can see how ITK-CHANNEL, the phase 1 tunnel, how it chooses the policy. If policy 1 doesn't work, they don't have a match, then it'll move on to the second policy. If that doesn't have a match, then we'll move on to policy 3, if there was one. If there's no matching policy, then the phase 1 tunnel will not be brought up or built. And we use different authentication and encryption for the phase 2 tunnel, one for each site. And you can see the crypto map. We have one crypto map, but we have different sequence numbers here. So that's how you could have multiple sites up there. And then you apply it to the interface. And the interesting traffic, you have to have this. And whatever is in this access list will determine what will build the IPSec tunnel. So that is it. One reason why you would want to use IPSec is because everything in the middle, that public internet, the honey badger internet, it's whatever you send across the network, it can be seen unless it's encrypted. So that's why you would use uh, IPSec. GRE tunnels, I did another video how to apply IPSec over GRE because GRE sends everything in plain text. So that is it. If you'd like to leave a comment below, go ahead. Other than that, I hope this video was informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.